fishing. Ah, it says I'm in a slip.
Hey, look. You look like that raccoon there.
But it's not real.
Well, it's not. It's just a picture. And hey, look it over here.
They just rolled. Can you have these little toadstool things?
Then you're going to end up with a tiger swallowtail. That's a tiger swallowtail. See at the bottom?
No, it's a butterfly.
Yeah, but look at the bottom. The name is tiger swallowtail.
Wow. Nice. Look, a mallard duck.
That is a mallard duck, yeah.
A duck is a thing that you should eat. I want to get on here.
Okay. All right, you did it. Yeah, just watch your head there. I guess you just drag yourself.
Ooh, look, a white-tailed deer.
Yep.
And it's a boy.
He is. Pretty, ain't he?
Yeah, like you are.
There you go. And what's he called?
The white-tailed deer.
Well, no, but remember, I told you there's a doe, which is the female.
Oh,
What's the male?
a buck.
That's right. That's exactly right. Good job.
Thank you. And there's a monarch butterfly.
There you go. That's right. See?
A honeybee.
That is a honeybee, ain't it?
Yeah.
You passed the cardinal.
Wait, I want to go down the slide.
You,
Whee! That's so fun. Boat statue. Oh. Ew. I hit my nose.
well, let's see.
I hit my nose right there.
Okay, well,
This one's also slow.
it is.
What?
They didn't make them too slick, did they? You coming up?
Yes. I got them for a buck. Someone wants it. I want to ride this one.
Okay, it's a wide one. Let's see if it's any faster. You think it is?
No, I think it's slow. Whoa,
Oh, you know what?
What?
I think your shoes were slowing you down. If you'd held your feet up, I think you'd go faster. Here a little bit. And then try to slide. Yeah, hold them up. A little bit better, right? So maybe that was the case on the other ones too. If you'd held your shoes up, then you'd go faster. There you go.
Why do people just say not to go climb up the slide? It's easy.
What kind of ship did you call this?
Your typical stock shit, because that's what they called it in Yoshi.
Did they?
Yeah, your typical stocks.
Okay.
In the second level, they did it your typical stocks level, and they called it that.
Well, if that makes sense,
Go
I
to
guess.
Yoshi's Crafted World, and you'll see the second level will say your typical stocks. So yeah.
I'll take your word for it.